not be sufficiently creative.
Bit about blessed are the big noses.
Oh, lay off him.
Oh, you're not so bad yourself, conk face. Where are you two from? Nose City?
One more time, mate. I'll take you to fucking cleaners.
Language! And don't pick your nose.
I wasn't going to pick my nose. I'm going to thump him. You hear that? Blessed are the Greek. The Greek. Well, apparently he's going to inherit the earth. Did anyone catch his name?
You're not going to thump anybody.
I'll thump him if he calls me Big Nose again.
Oh, shut up, big nose.
Huh? What? I warned you. I really will slug you so hard.
Oh, it's the meek!
Rather nice beard there. I'm rather fond of my
That's nice, isn't it? I'm glad they're getting something
look
for
there.
their hell of a time.
Listen, I'm only telling
Grew
you
it
the
that
truth. You
morning.
have got a very big nose. Hey,
You see, Eric couldn't grow a beard.
Right across your face by the time I finish with you.
well, who it yours then? Glass, big brother?
Oh, right. That's your last warning.
Oh, do pipe down.
Silly bitch.